Hi there, Scott Powell from Smail Mercedes-Benz in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. Appreciate you joining us on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you another easy thing to do with your car. Technology on our cars and everybody else's cars is getting insanely intricate. However, connecting your car with smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is actually really simple. What you have to do is have a phone, have a car, and a connection cable. On this particular GT63, the connection is right here in the dash. What you need to look for, there could be multiple USB ports in the car, but if it has Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, there'll be a little symbol on there that looks like the cutouts of electronic devices. So this is simple. Let me go plug it in here real quick and easy. On this car, it's kind of down in there, but once you're in, you're in. Plugged in, then we go connected to my phone. Get this back. Once the phone and the car recognize each other through the wire, you'll get a message. A new Apple CarPlay device has been connected. How should Apple CarPlay be started? Automatically, of course. It'll ask you some other questions. Accept and start. I'm going to allow it on my phone. And there's my phone projected up onto the screen. I can dial the phone with Siri by going like this. The voice control button on the steering wheel, holding it down a little bit longer. There's Siri. She'll do whatever I ask her to do. I can use my maps instead of the factory navigation, or if your car doesn't have factory nav and it does have smartphone integration, use it this way. Highlight your maps, push down, and there's my maps. And I can use Siri again to put in my voice controls, and I can slide back over here again where these little boxes are, and you can bring up my apps, and only bring up the apps that are safe to use in the car, including maps, phone, the calendar. I can get into my settings again down here and get into some other things too. People seem to really like to use this in place of navigation because you have it on your phone anyway, and the maps are always much more accurate than what you're going to find in the car to begin with. Those need to be updated by the factory technician once a year, when the maps in your phone are updated every time you go to bed at night. It'll even read text messages for you. So that's how easy it is to connect your car to your phone using smartphone integration, specifically at this time with Apple CarPlay. Well, there you have it, and thanks for watching. Scott Powell with Smail Mercedes-Benz in Greensburg, right off Route 30, or online at smailmercedes-benz.com.